Aloha everybody, thanks for joining us here. We begin our driving adventure leaving Wahiawā Botanical Garden parking lot. This is California Avenue and we are going to make a right turn here. In this video it is June 9th, 2020. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure in Wahiawā town. We wanted to show you two places we really like here. First is Tanya's Pies and Grill, and the second is Shige Saimin stand. If you don't know what Saimin is, it's a local Hawaii version of the Japanese noodle dish called ramen, which is noodles in broth, usually with some kind of toppings. It was invented during Hawaii's plantation era in the late 1800s. Saimin noodles is made with wheat flour and eggs, while ramen is made with wheat flour and no egg. It's not just a Japanese dish in Hawaii, it's Japanese, Chinese, I think Filipino also. This is Fred Wright Park on the right side. Right after the park on the right side is our first destination. This is North Kane Street we're turning on here, and we're going to turn right into this parking lot. This is the parking lot for Tanya's Pie and Grill, and we came here to get some peach pie, but they were closed already. We were a little late, so let's just show you the hours of operation and the menu. Alright, let's move on to Shige Saimin stand. We leave Tanya's Pie and Grill parking lot. We're going to make a left turn here on North Kane Street. And then we are going to make a right turn back out onto California Avenue. There's a shopping center across the street diagonally there, and you see where it says Payless Shoes. There's a whole bunch of stores here. There's Goodwill, there's Foodland, there's a lot of food places to eat at. So now we're back out on California Avenue. Wahiawā town is about a 30-minute drive from Waikiki, when there is no traffic, that is. Just to give you a little information about Wahiawā town, it is surrounded on three sides by Lake Wilson, also known as Wahiawā Reservoir or Kaukonahua. Wahiawā town is only accessible by either of two bridges on Kamehameha Highway. The reservoir surrounding the town is surrounded by plantation farmlands and the U.S. Army facilities Schofield Barracks, Wheeler Army Airfield, and East Range. We're now at Kamehameha Highway. We're going to turn right here, and we should get in the left lane in about a block. We're going to look for Hawaii Tactical Outfitter on the left side, and that marks where Wahiawā Mall is. It's not really a mall, it's a shopping center more like, and it's right here on the left. We initially went past it. We don't need to show you that, so you want to turn there left here, and this is the front of the Wahiawā Mall. It's a one-way parking lot, so you want to enter through Kamehameha Highway, and you can also see Little Caesars there and a bunch of other eating places. Shige's Saimin stand is at the end here on the right side, so we're gonna park and then we're gonna order. Sorry we did not show us ordering. You have to order through the door there. You can't go inside anymore for now anyways. This is the menu. Let's get to the important eating part. Ooh, wow, that looks so good. Vegetable Saimin, yeah? Mm-hmm. I got the large vegetable Saimin, a little bit bigger than Cheryl's one. I also got a hamburger, sorry cow.
And for dessert,
oh, energy balls? Energy balls.
Energy bars, but it's wrong. Yeah, no dining in. That's why we're eating in the car.
Never got takeout from this place, but we had to get it anyways because it's so good.
This place is busy.
The noodles.
The noodles are so good.
I don't know any other place that makes the noodles like this. It's pretty good. Shige Saimin stand in Wahiawā is so good.
Super good.
Totally worth stopping by this place if you're in Wahiawā. And if you want, you know, Saimin.
But they have other stuff too. Hamburger steak and burgers and sandwiches.
Yeah, there's plate lunches and stuff. But yeah,
But they're known for this.
I like the Saimin. It's so good. Hamburger. This is the hamburger deluxe. The broth is so good too.
It's not salty.
Alright, anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Aloha. How is that?
Good.
Tastes good? Okay, Cheryl says this is good. Let's see.
Not bad, right?
No, it's not bad. That's pretty good actually. But I like Sherry's one. That's one of my favorite ones. Or Cheryl's one is pretty good too.
Oh, and she uses craisins, I think.
Raisins and peanuts. And... Anyways, good dessert.